What would Christmas be without a rip-roaring nor'easter? Santa apparently brought a blizzard as well as gifts for Maine early Christmas morning, and the National Weather Service said at 11 a.m. that the snow will continue through late this afternoon. It will be heavy at times, and amount to 6 to 10 inches. There have been a few reports of cars sliding off the roads, but in general, folks are staying put. The temperatures will plummet as we head into the coldest part of winter, so get the animals snug and safe, and the wood close by the back door. From NOAA. A developing coastal low south of Long Island will race northeast and intensify rapidly as it moves through the Gulf of Maine today, then into the Maritimes by evening. This low will produce snow heavy at times, along with gusty winds across the region today. In the wake of this storm, Arctic air will begin pouring into the area on Tuesday, with bitter cold temperatures lasting through the remainder of the week. Here's the forecast. Christmas Day. Snow, mainly before 3 p.m. The snow could be heavy at times. Widespread blowing snow. High near 22. Wind chill values as low as -2. Windy, with a north wind 20 to 25 mph becoming northwest 30 to 35 mph in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 55 mph. Chance of precipitation is 100%. Total daytime snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches possible. Tonight. A 30% chance of snow before 7 p.m. Widespread blowing snow before 10 p.m. Mostly cloudy, then gradually becoming mostly clear, with a low around 15. Wind chill values as low as -2. Breezy, with a west wind 20 to 25 mph, with gusts as high as 40 mph. Tuesday. Mostly sunny, with a high near 26. Wind chill values as low as 0. Breezy, with a west wind 15 to 20 mph, with gusts as high as 35 mph. Tuesday night. Mostly clear, with a low around 4. Wind chill values as low as -11. Breezy, with a west wind 15 to 20 mph, with gusts as high as 30 mph. Wednesday. Sunny, with a high near 12. West wind around 15 mph, with gusts as high as 30 mph. Wednesday night. Mostly clear, with a low around -4. Thursday. Mostly sunny and cold, with a high near 6. Thursday night. Partly cloudy, with a low around -3. Friday. Partly sunny and cold, with a high near 10. Friday night. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 2. Saturday. A 40% chance of snow. Mostly cloudy, with a high near 18. Saturday night. A 30% chance of snow. Mostly cloudy, with a low around 7. Sunday. A 30% chance of snow showers. Mostly sunny, with a high near 18.